So, hello everyone, how are you? So, I hope you people are doing well. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, before leaving the video, please subscribe the channel and provide some motivation to us. Okay, thank you. So, let us start the news with today. So, what was the news today is that it is a good news for all us nurses that we have got a notification. So it is completely related to nurses who are in teaching field, like nursing tutors or nursing educators or clinical instructors. Okay, so this is completely based for the people or for the nurses who are working as a tutors or working as professors, assistant professors or associate professors. So this is not for bedside or clinical nurses. Okay, so let's continue with the video. So in Hyderabad, that is in BB Nagar, so AIMS has released the notification. So you can see here, so the AIMS has released the notification on 27th August 2021. So I have got very late information over this, so but I thought I will make video on this. So thing is, there are number of posts given under Group A on direct recruitment basis. So the total number of vacancies are 22. There are 22 number of vacancies and it is completely direct recruitment basis. So there will be no sort of examination. There will be shortlisting of the candidates and candidates will be selected based on the eligibility criteria. Okay, so recently they have started nursing college, it seems. So they have released the following post. The first post is professor cum principal or of College of Nursing. So they need a principal for College of Nursing. So the payment is it is paid according to 7th CPC. CPC is Central Pay Commission. So you will receive a income or the salary same of a central government employee. Okay, so level 13 post. So it has the pay scale of rupees 1,23,000 to 2,15,900. Okay, so the number of post is 1 post. So you have to compete under unreserved category. Okay, there will be no reservation quota applicable for this post. You have to compete in open category, that is unreserved category. Next is registrar. So registrar is nothing but the person who maintains all the records and look after all the records and reports of the College of Nursing. So it is level 2 job. Okay, he or she also will be paid according to 7th CPC. The salary will be 78,800 to 2,99,200. Okay, it is also one post and it is also given under unreserved category. So you have to compete for the post in unreserved quota, not in reservation quota. Okay, next is third post. So it is reader or associate professor. Okay, for College of Nursing. So it is also level 2 in the pay matrix of 7th CPC and the salary will be 78,800 to 2,09,200. So these are two posts. There will be two posts. So same, this is for unreserved quota people, not for SC. So even if the SC, if you belong to some SC caste, ST caste or BC caste or OC or BC, any type of caste, so what you have to do is you have to compete openly, not in the reservation quota. Next is fourth post, that is lecturer or assistant professor for College of Nursing. So the salary range is 67,700 to 2,08,700. There will be 3 posts and you have to compete under same unreserved quota. Next is fifth post. So e post lu almost 15 unnai. So there are 15 number of posts, that is tutor or clinical instructor. Okay, so level 10 post level is 10 and 7th CPC salary will be paid around 56,100 to 1,77,500. So there will be 15 posts. So unreserved quota will be 8 posts, OBC 3, SC 2, ST 1 and EWS 1. Okay, so coming to eligibility criteria for principal of College of Nursing. Okay, the eligibility criteria should be MSc Nursing. Okay, next with advanced specialization in nursing, and she should have the registered nurse and midwife certificate from the state council or the central council. Okay, next is 10 years experience in nursing field after registration of nurse. Okay, out of which 7 years must have been spent in nursing education. So the total experience should be 10 years. So it is compulsory that 7 years experience should be in college or nursing education. Rest of the 3 experience can be bedside nursing too. Next is registrar eligibility is a graduation, okay, 7 years of experience in administration department, okay, in a teaching institution. Okay, desirable is a postgraduate degree in science. He or she should be having a post degree, so it is a desirable qualification, not a essential. Okay, next is associate professor for College of Nursing, master's degree in nursing, registered nurse in midwife in state or central council. Next is 8 years experience after MSc in nursing college, including 5 years teaching experience. At least she should have 8 years experience, and 5 years experience is mandatory in nursing college, and rest 3 can be in bedside nurse too. Next is assistant professor, master's degree in nursing from recognized university, registered nurse certificate should be there, and 5 years experience with a minimum of 2 years teaching in nursing. Okay, next is tutor or clinical instructor. So the essential qualification is BSc nursing. BSc nursing is enough for nursing tutor, and she should be a registered nurse, and she should have a council certificate that she is a registered nurse, and 3 years experience should be there in teaching institutions. Okay, so this is the this is completely based on direct recruitment. Okay, you should apply through online. The website is provided there in the blue ink. Okay, so the last date is 27th September. 27th September should be the last date, you should apply before 27th September. Okay, so coming back to, and you have to you should print out the application form, whatever application you have applied, you should take a printout, and you should attach them with the Xerox copies of your certificates, and should post them to this following address. Okay, before the date of application. Next is, so online applications you should have following certificates. One is valid email ID, scanned passport size photo, scanned signature, online payment details. Okay, next is date of birth or SSC certificate, caste certificate, and physically handicapped certificate if any. Next is other details such as TS nursing or nursing council certificate, and your OD or provisional certificate. Okay, next is, so there are lot of formats given. I will provide the PDF in the comment section. Okay, please comment it. Okay, next is age relaxation is there for SC ST 5 years, for OBC 3 years, for physically handicapped persons 10 years. Okay, so there are a lot of other details too. Next, coming back to the application fee is 1000. Okay, 1000, but application fee is there is no application fee for SC people, ST people, physically handicapped people, and women candidates. All women candidates of all caste won't need to pay any application fee. Okay, so every woman can apply this for freely, and people belonging to SC, ST, and physically handicapped people don't have the application fee. Okay, so the probation period will be 2 years. After 2 years you will get same status of a government employee, like you are eligible for all the CLs, DLs, and everything. Okay, so for any doubts, please comment down in the comment section. I'll be posting this PDF in the comment section. Okay, you can download it from the comment section. Thank you.